Holiday from Waikaremoana. It was cool. It was cool. I enjoyed it. It felt better driving through from home to here. It's like the feeling of the ngāhere was different. Felt like home. Like actually home. Even though it's always been home, but yeah, the feeling was just different. Just knowing that it's not all over, but the fight is over, and that it's our responsibility, solely our responsibility to look after our home again. Yeah, and just knowing that it is ours. It feels good. Everyone feels the same, but whether everyone pulls it together and actually does the mahi. Yeah, I think that'll be a everlasting concern, I think. I feel like that with the new building going up at home, that there'll be a lot of mahi to do there, just like to help, just assisting in whatever's going on. It's pride, responsibility, being sometimes I think being Tūhoe, like you can't just say that you have Tūhoe blood in you. Like sometimes it feels like you have to do stuff for the iwi to show that you actually are Tūhoe, and like you have to give to the iwi to be able to give back to your tipuna and give for the future.